Hey guys, quick video here for you on how you can connect your PS5 to PS4 to your BenQ monitor. So it's super simple. What you need to do and how to connect it is that you're just gonna connecting to your HDMI right here with the monitor with the BenQ with the HDMI cable. And when you're gonna have it, all you have to do then is then look for the PS4 HDMI port. And you're just gonna connect it to the port and that should work. So you're gonna insert it with the HDMI cable and then to the PS4 port. But what can happen is that it's not going to work. So that can also happen. So you have to be aware of that. So then you need to buy adapter. So if you have AVG or DVI, then you need to use a VGA HDMI adapter and you have to connect it through the adapter. That's also how it's done.